Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydrian. I am deeply grateful. A quote from Jermaine Edwards after receiving diaspora recognition. Over the weekend, the Global Jamaica Diaspora Council in the Southern United States recognized the gospel artist for his outstanding contribution to the Jamaican diaspora by strengthening ties through culture and heritage. E-Prime spoke with the Control My Mind singer, who recalled the moment he was notified of the award.
We don't know as musicians or creative persons that we are actually doing well, and it is people who affirms these moments, because you really never know if you do good until you're looking back in retrospect. So I'm elated being acknowledged by the diaspora.
He also shared what impact the award has made on his career.
It made me come back home to go into the studio, so it made me realize my music is impacting. Sometimes, your peers or people around you really don't acknowledge you, but you grow around them, so that is expected. But going outside of your island and seeing the warm recognition, it's a great feeling.
Reports of Rihanna going on tour bogus? According to Billboard, high-level sources have revealed that there is no deal in place between the artist and Live Nation, coining the news of a Rihanna comeback as bogus, while noting that the singer hasn't yet committed to any touring projects for 2024. Over the weekend, the Daily Mirror UK announced that the Where Have You Been singer is planning a major comeback tour for 2024-25 after signing a £32 million deal with Live Nation. Now, Taylor Swift earns music career milestone. Swift has become the 10th artist to have 10 or more #1 singles on the Billboard Hot 100, with Cruel Summer jumping from number 9. The song, which was first published in 2009 on the album Lover, rose to fame this year on her Eras tour. New mixes were published during the most recent tracking week, which began October 13 with the release of Taylor Swift The Eras Tour. Swift's performance of the song on tour, her first time highlighting songs from Lover, which was released before the COVID-19 pandemic, boosted its popularity. Swift joins 10 other musicians who have had 10 or more #1 singles on the Hot 100 since its debut on August 4 back in 1958. Now, Ty Dolla $ign has planned a multi-stadium listening event for his collaborative album with Kanye West, which is scheduled for November 3. The album would be Kanye's first since a slew of anti-Semitic statements last year, which caused Def Jam's parent company, Universal Music Group, to distance itself from the musician. West's crew was planning a show in Italy to promote the collaborative record, but the plans look to have failed. The promotion strategy has now switched to a multi-stadium listening event, which might include worldwide venues. Ye and Ty last worked together on Junior Part 2 of West's 2021 album, Donda. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching.